Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, I would like to acknowledge everyone in attendance, ASEC Felix Castro Jr., Secretary Nasir Pangandaman, our City Vice Mayor, Sultan Attorney Usman Gandabra, RD Sulpicio Henry Legaspi Jr., to our friends from the Department of Health, represented by the Department of Health Undersecretary Gregorio Murillo Jr., to the members of the AFP, Sir Rosa, our workers from the City Health Office, led by Dr. Anita Ligilig, from the IPHO, Dr. Ali Ninana, to our members and to the Amay Pakpak Medical Center family, led by Dr. Shalimar Saninotin, all the barangay officials, all the hardworking health workers, to all our guests and partners. Oh, my auntie, the Municipal Mayor of Tarata, Shiva Gandabra, Mayor Shiva Gandabra, Sumagayan, Gandabra Sumagayan. My warm greetings to everyone. It is an honor to join you today as we open the APMC Bukas Center, and this development means a lot here to us in Marawi. Because it is more than just a new facility. It is a sign of hope and our continuing journey towards building a stronger and healthier city. For years, we have been striving to make healthcare services even closer and more responsive to the needs of our people. And with the establishment of the Bukas Center, we are building on a strong foundation already set by the Amay Pakpak Medical Center, our trusted partner, and the heart of Marawi's healthcare system. This new facility complements APMC's continuing efforts to reach more communities, respond faster to emergencies, and bring quality care service where it is most needed. The partnership between the Department of Health, the APMC, and the City Government of Marawi once again shows what we can achieve when we work hand in hand with a shared vision, and that is to serve our people better. To the doctors, to the nurses, and to all the health workers who will serve in this new center, please know that we see your value and your hard work, and as your new mayor, I will assure that the city government of Marawi will always stand behind initiatives like this. We are committed to supporting programs that improve healthcare delivery system and make sure that every Maranao has access to quality medical services, no matter where they are in life. To everyone behind this project, thank you for your dedication. To the Department of Health, to the Amay Pakpak Medical Center, and to the City Government of Marawi, congratulations once again to this great achievement. Maraming salamat po. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. A pleasant morning to each and everyone. First of all, I would like to pay my highest respect to the honorable guests who are present today. I would like to specifically mention the Honorable Secretary Nasir Pangandaman. Kung hindi po nakakaalam sa inyo, ay si Secretary Pangandaman is very close to our family. Yung asawa po niya is my first cousin of my mother-in-law and the second cousin of my mother sa Ali family. And also would like to acknowledge also the presence of the Honorable Undersecretary of the Department of Health, Honorable Gregorio Moreno, sir, second time po to. And our very ever supportive, matagal na ho natin kasama sa Task Force Bangon Marawi, Assistant Secretary Felix Castro, and of course, our very own, the very energetic and very supportive, my ate, the Medical Director of the Amay Pakpak Hospital, Dr. Shalimar Pinky Sani Rakiel, and my brother from the Craft, of course, Director Henry Ligasti ng Region 10. To all of you, of course, my good friend and my brother, the IPHO Director, Alina Derminalang, the representative of the Provincial Governor, my sister, the incumbent mayor of the Taraka, Municipality of Taraka, Mayor Nasibag and Damna Sumagayan, Brigade Commander Billy De La Rosa, CHO Chief Dr. Ali Dalidi, my fellow workers of the City Government of Marawi City, the Honorable City Councilors who are also present today, our dedicated health warriors, and all our distinguished guests, partners and stakeholders. Again, a pleasant day to all of you. Finally, we are here to witness and celebrate the launching of the Bagong Urgent Care and Ambulatory Services Center, also known as Bukas Center. The people of Marawi have been through so many challenges, and yet here we are, continuously striving to rebuild, recover, and to move forward together, as mentioned by Secretary Pangandaman. That is why the opening of the Bukas Center is very, very timely and very significant. Personally, I see this program as a symbol of our unity and shared vision that every Maranao deserves free, accessible, and quality health care. With the Memorandum of Agreement we have signed with the Department of Health and Amay Pakpak Medical Center, the City Government of Marawi City, headed by the incumbent Mayor Sharif Zain Lantugan Damra, stands as both an end user and a partner of this vital facility. We do not hesitate, and we place our full trust in the APMC's capability to manage and operate the Bukas Center effectively for the benefit of our people. We know that the success of the Bukas Center will not only depend on the hospital, but also on the collective efforts of the community. Nais ko rin pasalamatan po, nakalimutan ko, but it was mentioned a while ago by our Alim, na nais kong pasalamatan ang aking mga in-laws po. Dahil partly, itong kinatitirikan ng hospital na ito was donated partly. Kasi mayroon namang binayad na konti. Way below the market price na pambili doon sa mga lupain ngayon. So we'd like to extend, on behalf of the City Government of Marawi City, we'd like to extend our gratitude to the family of my wife for this noble gesture. As someone who has witnessed both struggles and triumphs of our beloved city, I pledge our continued partnership and support. The LGU of Marawi will always stand by the initiatives that uplift the health, the well-being, and the future of our people. To the doctors, nurses, and healthcare workers of Amay Pakpak Medical Center, and also the health workers from the Marawi City Government, kasi sila po talaga ang nandito lahat at alam ko, maasahan natin sila. Hopefully, when it will be, the operation will be transferred to us, ay handang-handa po natin i-accept. In fact, gaya po ng sinabi ng ating mahal na sekretary at ng ating undersecretary, napakahirap po mag-manage ng hospital. Kaya nung una po, naalala ko, nung ako'y pinuntahan ng aking ate, si Dr. Pinky at si then Secretary Opial, if I'm not mistaken, ay sinabihan ako na si Yusik Dumama pala, kasama nila, at sinabihan ako na, Mayor, kakayanin ba yung pag-operate ng City Hospital kasi napakahirap po. So sabi ko, talagang lahat naman po ay very challenging. No? Subukan namin dahil alam po naman namin ang paghihirap na ito ay makikinabang naman ang maraming tao. So that's the reason why kahit ito mahirap sa amin and with the meager resources, kasi hindi ho ganun kalaki ang pondo ng Marawi City because we are just a component city and we are open. Pero just the same, this year we allocated more or less 200 million out of the internal revenue allotment. Ayun po ay para set aside to operate this hospital when it will be turned over to the city government. Again, as I've said to the doctors, nurses, and healthcare workers of the FPMC who will serve in this new center, congratulations. Your dedication and hard work will not only be the lifeblood of this facility, but will also give a pioneer touch to the history of Marawi City General Hospital. You will be the ones to set the standards of excellence and compassion that future generations will follow. May you find patience and enthusiasm in sharing your knowledge and skills with our newly LGU-hired staff as they begin their clinical training, with, of course, the approval and guidance of Dr. Pinky Rakia. To the leaders and partners who made this possible, headed by Secretary Nasser Pangandaman, thank you for investing in Marawi and the health and dignity of our people. May this mark the beginning of more noble partnership and even greater progress in healthcare for Marawi City and the whole of Lanao del Sur. Once again, congratulations to everyone behind this milestone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.